So have you ever had those times in your life where you go, there's got to be a pony somewhere in this barn full of hay? And I know we all have, I know I have, where you just think, how am I going to get out of this? Well, I think sometimes what we don't realize is we don't pay attention to our dialogue. We don't have an out-of-body experience and actually hear what we're actually saying to ourselves and to others. And I think a lot of the time we also start with two very negative words when they're put together. They are, if only. If only I hadn't have said that. If only that hadn't have happened. If only this would have happened. If only I'd made that decision and not that decision. If only I'd waited. If only, if only, if only. I'm going to tell you, if only could keep you, it'll keep you very, very sad. It'll keep you stuck. It'll keep you depressed. It'll keep you in regret. And I have regrets. We all have regrets. Yeah. But the thing is, there comes a time when you've got to go, I'm going to replace those two words with what if? What if I got the most amazing wisdom from that experience and I now can use it to make better decisions in the future? Really important decisions. What if that experience actually gave me practice and training at whatever it is that I needed to be able to do the next most amazing thing that's going to happen in my life? What if that was a necessary part of my journey? What if that delay was not a denial? When you replace what if in a positive way for if only, you'll start to see your life turn around before you even know it. Hope that helps.